What's going on?
Why are you taking photos?
What?
He fell and he's getting photos. They're saying they see her. Why are you taking photos?
It doesn't matter.
I do not consent to be photographed.
I mean, you don't have to be on film right now.
I'm waiting for my Uber.
What are
Okay?
you filming?
Then fucking turn it off.
Hey, don't touch me.
Wait,
Then turn it.
Don't
then
touch
turn
me.
your video
Don't
off.
fucking touch me.
Hey, he fell. We helped him. We're waiting.
Good. I'm not
Okay,
stopping.
then turn
Wait,
that
you're
off.
No.
I'm just curious why
I'm
you're
documenting
filming.
this whole
Why
thing.
are you filming right now?
You're gonna really report medical?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing right now.
They may know, yes.
We were just across the street.
Oh, Ben, don't get on me. He's live. Ben, you're live on camera right now. We're on 4274.
Yeah, I know. I was just telling him what happened.
You're on this
No. Can I just ask what are you filming?
I'm with the news.
Like what? Okay, do what?
You could say that. They might get it later on. So I document any police encounter. You're welcome to walk away at any time. No one's keeping you here.
Do you just come out here and like live everything or what?
Whenever there's police around or any kind of emergency, I come out and record it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is it like a reporter?
Slo County Observer on YouTube. You want to
Slo
go?
County Observer?
Yeah.
On Facebook? I'm gonna look you up, bro. On YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe to your ass.
Cool, man.
Hell yeah. Hey, so leaving this shit from this camera shit, bro.
Yeah, I can see that.
Camera, nigga.
Yeah. Hi, man. Yep, you too. Hey, Sergeant. Hey, can I get that guy's name?
What's that?
Can I get that guy's name?
What happened?
He just shined his light in my camera and discouraged me from recording.
Last name is Davidson.
Davidson? Alright. What's your name?
Sergeant Stradley.
Stradley? Gotcha, I don't think we met before. What's up?
Oh yeah. So, are you a news reporter?
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah, that guy just had a little bit too much to drink.
Possibly.
He's all right, you know.
Careful, there's blood. Big puddle of blood right there.
Oh, was there a fight?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, did you not see that guy's arm, bro?
Yeah, you fought him, didn't you?
Nah, it wasn't me, man.
Yeah. But I think too much is going on in my neighborhood. I live
like a
right
stinger?
there.
Kinda. Slo County Observer on
Too much just
YouTube.
going on in my neighborhood. Hey!
See that shit on Netflix? I was like,
Don't record.
you know, I was like, you had to go watch it.
Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen Stringer.
I've had enough of this. And tell Slow PD to no.
Stop it.
You're not walking to yourself.
No, I'm not gonna.
Alright, man.
What are we doing? We go back to that place or?